it's your girl Ekemnido, aka the hair goddess. Today our focus for this discussion is on leave-in conditioners.
Let's go. I'ma keep winning till the world stops spinning. I'ma keep winning till the world stops spinning. I'ma keep winning till the world stops spinning. I'ma keep winning till the world stops. Independent women, let's go. Keep up with me, come on. Winning till the world stops spinning.
I've observed that a lot of women skip this step deliberately. They don't even want to use leave-in conditioners because they feel it is not necessary. And because stylists tend to charge a little bit more when you request that they apply leave-in conditioners on your hair, so some women just skip it. They call it treatment. I want to treat your hair, you know. But the truth is that your hair really does need a leave-in conditioner because it stays in the hair. That's one of the products that stays in the hair until your next wash. So you need that treatment to be there in your hair. I have with me the MegaGrowth's Break-Free Leave-In Conditioner. This is an excellent example of a leave-in conditioner, and this product is infused with natural oils, vitamins, and nutrients that would nourish your hair. So what I observed about these break-free is that it doesn't leave residue. Unlike some other products, some other leave-in conditioners that would leave in residue on your hair and you start seeing whitish flakes on your scalp. That doesn't happen when you use the MegaGrowth's break-free leave-in conditioner. And it helps to coat the cuticle layer of your hair so it protects the hair from breakage. It's an amazing detangler. That's another thing I like you to take note of. It detangles the hair very easily. So if your hair is difficult to manage, once you apply this, it makes it easy for you to comb through. And it also goes ahead to prevent breakage, because if the cuticle is protected with this leave-in conditioner, it would, to an extent, prevent your hair from breaking. And it also helps to protect your hair from split ends. So imagine you just got your ends trimmed because you had split ends. If you leave them open, if you leave those ends like that, the hair is going to split over time. So that's another benefit of using a leave-in conditioner. You definitely need to use this to close up that part of your hair that you've cut, that freshly cut part. It would help close it up and make your hair look more healthy. How do you use a leave-in conditioner? A lot of people ask this question. You use this once or twice in a week. You can even use it on a daily basis actually, because this is lightweight and it doesn't leave in residue. So you just apply it to your hair, a sizable amount depending on your hair density. You apply it and then seal it with the MegaGrowth oil. You need an oil to coat the hair shaft and prevent it from drying out easily. I did a video on the growth oil earlier, so if you've not seen that video, I'd like you to go watch it right away. I actually bought this leave-in conditioner from Ikeja City Mall, ShopRite, that's where I got it. And it goes for about 750 naira. It is very affordable and it has tons of benefits. When you check the pack, you realize that it has no sulfates, no mineral oil, no formaldehyde. All the bad guys are not in this product. Instead, it has all the good guys you can think of. Avocado oil, coconut oil, shea butter, everything is just right here. And that makes it an excellent conditioner. I'm going to show you how to use this leave-in conditioner on both natural and relaxed hair so you know how to apply it irrespective of whether your hair is natural or whether your hair is relaxed. I'd like you to stick around. So that is it. I move to the next section. The detangling effect of the leave-in conditioner is excellent. You finger detangle. Try to do that first before you use your comb to detangle the hair properly. See this? Oops, this is so nice. Then seal it with the oil. Okay, so I'm going to do that all around and then we'll twist the hair and that's it. Thanks for sticking with me up to this time. I'd like you to remember that the MegaGrowth's Break-Free Leave-In Strengthener comes in two sizes, the 500 grams and the 250 grams size. This product smells so nice. I mean, the fragrance will just linger on your hair all day. It smells so good and I love the color. Check this out, this is so nice. And remember the benefits of using a leave-in conditioner. You don't have to skip this step at all. It helps to infuse moisture into your hair. It prevents breakage, dryness, and split ends. It helps to make your hair easy to detangle. So I need you to always remember that you have to always apply a leave-in conditioner to your hair, and you can use it on a daily basis if you're wearing your hair out. I hope you had an insightful learning experience watching this video. I want you to share your experience with me in the comment section, and I also like you to share this video with your friends, like us, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.